Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. I hope you can actually see this. My lighting is fairly poor today, it's very dark outside. I have an overhead light on, but it's still struggling, I think. Okay, so I think yesterday or the day before, I can't remember which it was now, I put out a video about creating a contour line in Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer. And I actually supplied in a link below the video the effects that I used to do it so that you could download those and upload them into either Affinity Photo or Designer to apply to whatever images you so wish. And so today I thought I would just show you the results of one of these line options. This was actually the 5.5 pixel one. And I have used it on a white polar bear, which normally would be something that would give you difficulty in the tracing department. With Affinity Photo, it was really easy to get this image separated from its background, no problem at all. And this is the result of my printing it and my cutting it out with just the SCANnCUT scanning it in. And hopefully you can see that that is pretty good. I have a slight offset on here. I've been trying to calibrate my machine, but since this is a DX you can't do manual calibration, and my calibration is ever so slightly out, I think. But it finds that line without any problem. It scanned it, it found the line, I could see that the cut line was perfectly okay, and it cut it out very easily. I did give, I think it was something like 4 different line versions. I'll probably do a whole heap of other styles as well, so that you can just do basically one click on a subject and it's outlined and contoured for you. If you want to make stickers and things like that, it's really great, as is if you want to do anything which has an outer boundary, and it is actually very easy to make your own. So if you don't have Affinity Photo or Affinity Designer, because both of those can use the contour function, then have a look at them and think about it. If you're stuck for something that's going to work on your iPad, that will add your contour lines for you. So basically I don't have to put anything like this into Canvas at all. It will do it all for me, send it to the printer, and then just send it to the machine to cut it out. So if you're working on the go, or you don't have access to a laptop all the time, or you don't like using Canvas, or you don't want to use your cut slot, etc, this is a way around it. And Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo for the iPad are really cheap in comparison to normal software. They are very good at what they do, and definitely well worth getting. And by the way, I get nothing for telling you that at all. They don't even know I exist. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now.